Hey, what's up everyone? Back working on an ice machine. Today's service call is just basic cleaning, but I wanted to record this video because I don't think I've made a video on cleaning a Ice O Matic ice series. This one is a, let's see, I believe this one was a 400 pounder, but that's gone. I know there's a sticker in the back of it, but not a biggie. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned out. We did replace this before, the trough. Pump's still good. The only thing is I am gonna replace that water filter system. It's no good. Yeah, so we'll just disassemble all these parts and then we'll go from there. Got the distributor tubes disassembled, so it's reasons like this where the holes get clogged and we get no water distribution of the water. So it's important that we always clean these out so none of the holes are clogged. So as you can see, this one's not too bad, but I've seen way worse. So we'll get all that blue stuff out of there. We'll scrub down the curtain and the hose, and then we'll clean out the pump, and then we'll reassemble it. So we've got the ice machine cleaned out, all the parts. So all that's left to do is just clean all this out. These are all caked on. We'll try to clean them off, and then we'll get the bin. We'll wash and sanitize it all. But I did let them know if you really want to get it all cleaned out, we got to just replace those parts because they're caked on there. I mean, I was scrubbing there for a good minute and they just don't want to come off. But yeah, so the evaporator's still in good condition. Grids aren't loose. One issue I have is that filter. It's just not doing them any justice and it's leaking too. So we'll see if we can get them a new filter system, and that condensate pump is leaking too, so we have to maybe up the size and get a better quality one. So yeah. All right, we've got everything back in its place. It's filling back up. Again, you couldn't get all these cleaned out, but we'll run it with cleaner and sanitizer. I'll offer to them if they want to replace the parts so it'll look nicer. It's up to them. But another last thing we need to do is blow out that condenser. Things not looking good. Unfortunately, the location of where this is installed is in a warehouse, a huge warehouse, and it's right next to a gate, and it's always windy here, so dust is always blowing in. Fortunately, it's the only area that they can have this installed. So we're gonna blow that out with nitrogen. It's gonna get pretty dusty in here. And yeah, while it's cleaning, we'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll call this one finished. There you go. This thing is super dirty. Whew.